Okay, so in this video, I'm going to demonstrate the functionality of using the character to get in the helicopter, flying it over there, and getting out. So here you go, you press play, and F to get in, space to start it. Turn off the engine, F to jump out. Now, this seems like an extremely simple thing, but I'll tell you what, I had to hire a tutor to help me with this. And it's a small world because a month or two ago I made this video about Woody's game's flying system. And as it turns out, the tutor that I hired in Unreal actually is the developer of this system. So this is really great. All respect is due here to Hongyu, who helped me with this. So you can see here if I open the blueprint for that chopper, the late possess and all these things, he has actually been helping me figure out how to do this. So for some people, it's quite simple. For me, it is extremely complicated just to be able to get in that helicopter, take off. And get out. So Hongyu, Woody's Games, big thank you for the help. And although this is a simple scene, I'm really pleased to share it. So I hope everyone's having a great day, and I will see you all soon.